Yuri, this place is full of fist guys with suspicious bulges. Guns. I'm talking about guns, obviously.
I can't order a raid over bulges.
Just a hunch, but there might be a public disturbance pretty soon.
Everyone's underestimating us. Cops, Spider-Man, Masha.
And they're gonna pay the price.
In a way, when we bought this out,
Surprise!
For real? Then why'd all those solid citizens rub elbows with him on all those charity boards?
they respected him more. Eat that! Hold still!
Someone needs a nap.
Get down! Kick and move! Boss is sickened. We can't let him beat us! Hold still! No, not me! I'll shut your mouth first! Blow your head off for that! Gonna crush your skull!
More guys? Okay, form an orderly line. I promise I'll arrest everyone.
We'll take you alive or dead. This doesn't count. You like that, Spider-Man? Got a present for you! Get down! Hit him! We can't let him beat us! Smoke him!
It's sad that when I see a mob rushing toward me, I assume they want to kill me. But they always do.
It's the end for you! Can't let him beat us!
Spider-Man, every worker assigned to that site reported winning big in Atlantic City recently.
Quick and dirty way to launder money. Could be where Fisk keeps his cash these days.
We shut it down, we'll really put the squeeze on him. I'm working on a warrant.
Way ahead of you.
Here comes the pain!
Reinforcements! Great! I was getting kind of sick of these other guys.
Fuck you, ballerina! Get down here! Boss is sick and tired of you. So am I. Don't let him get you airborne! Come on! That's not fair! Locked and loaded. Racket!
More of them! Find someone who cares about you like Willie's guys care about getting kicked in the face, and you'll be golden!
This is gonna hurt. Gift from the Don't let him get you airborne! Come on, hit him! Come on! dead! Look out! We'll take you alive or dead! This doesn't care! I'll get him for you! Stay away from his gadgets! You die! Let him beat us! No, 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 no!
Looks like I'm clear, but I gotta be more careful.
What's the matter? Scared? Spider flap?
Your people won't have any problems here now.
And Wilson Fisk's problems just keep adding up. Nice going.